Hello guys, how are we doing today? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to this video. I want to believe you're doing good. I want to believe you're doing great. In this video, we're going to be doing analysis of some major pairs. If you've been following our channel, we're going to be analyzing all the pairs we used to analyze on this channel during the weekends. Now, I've been occupied since on Thursday until yesterday night, so I was unable to record videos within the time I used to, that on Saturday morning, to be able to post them on time. So for that reason, we're going to be doing all the analysis in this one video. So we're going to be doing analysis of Gbpusd, Usdjpy, Gbpjpy, Xauusd, which is gold, and Eurusd, all in this one video. So I urge you to stay and watch the video till the end if you would like to see what to expect from the market this week. And of course, you saw that the analysis we did last week, all the trades went exactly as we predicted. So you'd like to see what we are looking forward within this week and learn from it. All right, let's get into the video. So last week, we're starting with Gbpusd. So this is Gbpusd. Last week, when we did our analysis, the market was here, and we did say that we expect the market to go bearish, because we could see on the 4 hours time frame the market had made a double top. Okay, it was more of a triple top, I guess. Yeah, triple top here on the 4 hours time frame. And we said that we expect the market to go bearish. Of course, remember that we had said the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. And coming to this region, we said that we could see the market was overbought. So for that reason, we expect the market to sell and make the new higher low. Of course, we could also see that this high was higher than the previous high. So we said it won't be out of place to expect a retracement. That's for the market to make a higher high. And this is the region which we marked, and you can see the market attained the region and exceeded it. So if you were able to get in on that, I want to say big congratulations to you. Now let's start our analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, you can see that Gbpusd started buying from this region. That's after it moved from here to this region, it sold a bit. Then started making a series of higher highs and higher lows from this region, which is more visible on the daily time frame. Last month, it ended as a bullish candle with the upper wick. Okay, bullish candle with upper and lower wicks. But I think the lower wick is a bit longer than the upper wick. And this is the month of October. We can see it's currently a bearish candle. Now let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is where the higher high and higher low started, and it has been moving that way until 2 weeks ago, where it got here, making this new higher high. And this was occurring after the market bought this much. It made 2 dojis here after a bearish candle, or we could say after a bearish Arami. It made 2 dojis only for it to buy the next week. Then the next candle was a small bullish candle. So we did say there was possibility for a sell before it buys again, and you can see last week ended as a healthy bearish candle, making this a bearish engulfing bar. You can see that here. Now let's consider the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see of course this is where the market started making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Then last week, after it made this double top, it sold quite significantly down to this region. So Monday was a doji, Tuesday it sold quite significantly, Wednesday was a small bearish candle, Thursday it sold, we can see this huge bearish candle, and Friday it ended as a doji. Now let's consider the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see the market sold this much. Then at this point, we see the bulls start showing intention, only for the bears to push it again, and the bulls came in again. So this was the region where we marked that the market should sell, to, and you can see that was fully attained. So the last candlestick on the 4 hours time frame within last week was a small bullish candle, or we could also want to call that a gravestone doji. So that's what happened in the market last week. What do we expect from the market this week? Pay attention. Like I've been saying from the beginning of this video, that the market has been making series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see that from here. Now, having sold this much, And we can see that the last candlestick here on the daily time frame is a doji. The weekly time frame ended as a bearish engulfing bar, which is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, even though it did not close below the 10-day simple moving average on the weekly time frame. So this is what I've said. It has been making series of higher highs and higher lows. Then last week ended as a bearish engulfing bar, and it's closed pretty close to the previous low, even though it did not sell down to the previous low. So this is the previous low, and this is where it sold down to. So we still maintain the fact that the market is making series of higher highs and higher lows. Having seen this kind of low, the next thing to look out for is a clear bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Else, there is still possibility for the market to sell more, and that will totally alter the structure of the higher highs and higher lows. So this is how I think the market will play out. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the bulls have started showing intention to come in. You can see here, after it sold this much, we can see this bullish intention before it sold and the bulls came in again. Then if you look at the RSI, you can see that the market has made a bullish divergence. You can see that here. So first thing we want to see, we're looking forward to buy this week. That's what I've said. We're looking forward to buy this week. But the market has not given clear signs that that's what is going to happen. So this is what we're going to look forward to, which will be a confirmation for this opposition. So we said the bulls have started showing intention, which we can see on the 4 hours time frame. We can see bullish divergence. We can see here the market made a bullish arami, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So the next thing we want to see is a bullish candle close above the 10-day simple moving average on the 4 hours time frame. That's one. Two, we would like to see Monday close as a bullish candle, which will make a morning star here on the daily time frame, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. When that occurs, we'll be pretty sure that the market is about to buy. That's first case. So the market is about to buy, and the next, I don't want to call it issue, or this is the next resistance. So we would like to see a bullish pressure that will be enough to break this resistance and come to this region. That is where we'll be pretty sure that the market is about to make the new high. You understand? We want to see bullish pressure that will break 1.328, between 1.328 and 1.325. We want to see this region broken. Then we'll be pretty sure that the market is coming to this region. And if it comes, then we'll be looking forward to the market breaking this region. So for now, the first thing we want to do is see a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, and this will be at TP1 1.328, and this will be at TP2 1.342. Now when the market start buying, our first target is TP1, like I've said. Once that is attained, we'll be looking forward to TP2. But if we see a bearish reversal candlestick pattern occur around this region, which we set as our TP1, if we see a bearish reversal candlestick pattern occur around that region, then we should know that the market is about to sell. And that will take the side of what we can see on the weekly time frame, which is a bearish engulfing bar, which is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. So we could say that after the impulsive move, the market made a correctional move before the impulsive move start again, and by this time certainly it will close below the 10-day simple moving average on the weekly time frame. I hope that is clear. So the market can do that. So I've explained everything to look forward to within this week, or how the market is likely to play out. We tilt more towards the possibility of a buy, but we won't totally ignore the signs for a sell when we see one. So that's it about Gbpusd. Let's get to Gbpjpy. In our last analysis of Gbpjpy, this is where the market ended. This Monday, Tuesday, of course, this is where the market ended. So we did say that there were two possibilities, One is that the market will buy, the other was the market will sell. Then there was two ways, possibility number two, that's the market, for the market to sell. There were two ways that could happen. So we did say that the market, the early part of the week, the market will buy and get to this region, which we did expect. And if we see a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, then we should look forward to a sell. Then there was also possibility that the market will sell from here, and there's also possibility that when the market buys, it will continue buying from there. So you can see Monday ended bullish, Tuesday the market sold, Wednesday the market bought, and of course look at the 4 hours time frame. You can see the market made a double bottom here before it bought this much. So if you watch my previous analysis and you were trading last week, you know that I did tell you to be extra cautious because the market could be funny within last week, and you can see the market was actually funny. After making a bullish reversal candlestick pattern here, it sold only for it to buy after making this significant bearish move. Then the next candle was another bearish candle. So you see that the market was quite confusing, and of course, like I say, I expected you to be more conscious or more cautious than usual. So let's start our analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that Gbpjpy has been buying for quite a while. Then in the month of July, it sold quite significantly into August. Then September, it bought this much and ended as a doji. This September, it sold again, only for it to buy and ended as a doji. Then this is the month of October, which we've had one trading week, and it is currently a bullish candle. Let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see the market sold this much, bought again, got here and sold again, did not sell down to this region and stopped somewhere here, only for it to buy up to this region and sold again. So 2 weeks ago, the market ended as a shooting star, only for it to buy and end as a bullish candle last week. Quite interesting, right? Then the daily time frame, we can see the market sold this much, bought, ranged there for a while, then sold down here, only for it to buy again, sold, lingered here for a while, and bought up till this region. Then the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can see the market bought this much, sold, made a double bottom here, only for it to buy again and sell again down to this region and bought again. So that's what happened in the market last week. What do we expect from the market this week? Now, looking at the charts, we can say that the bulls are getting stronger in the market. That's what we can say. Look at here. The market made an ascending channel here, only for it to sell, breaking the support of this ascending channel. The next thing to expect, like we did say in the last video, that it will buy till this region, retesting the support of the ascending channel and make a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. When that occurs, we're pretty sure that the market will sell, and the region to expect it to sell down to was around here. But when it sold down here, this region became a support, meaning that the bulls did not allow it sell back to this region, and they pushed it above this region, which it started selling from. So it sold up to this region, and the bears came in. After it bought, it retested this region, which was the previous high. The bears came in and pushed it down, but the bulls did not allow it to come back to this region where it made a double bottom, and they came in and pushed it up again. So we can say that there is quite a strong contention among the buyers and sellers, but the bulls seem to be winning. That's what we can see from the chart. Now, come back to the daily time frame. Having seen what happened around this region, and we can see the market still ended as a bullish candle. If I look at the weekly time frame, it ended as a bullish candle and closed above the 10-day simple moving average. This is happening after a shooting star, which is supposed to be a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. So the market is supposed to sell from here. but it ended bullish and closed above the 10-day simple moving average. So it means that the bulls have been strong in the market, and the weekly time frame ended as a bullish candle. The daily time frame ended as a bullish candle also, making here a bullish engulfing bar. So for that reason, we believe the market will buy again. So we look forward to the market breaking this region, which has become a new resistance, or let's say it has become a resistance. So we look forward to the market breaking this region. Perhaps at the early part of the week, it could sell a bit. That would be a retracement and make a bullish reversal candlestick pattern and buy again. So my advice is that you wait for the retracement to occur and the bullish reversal candlestick pattern to occur before you take your buy. And like we did say last week, this is our TP 198.2. That's where we expect the market to come down to. But having seen this bullish pressure on the weekly time frame, I believe that the market will exceed that region. But for now, let's just keep that region as our TP1, and perhaps this region could be our TP2. Let me mark that region. $203.6. That is our TP2. TP2 may not be attained this week, but I'm pretty sure TP1 will be attained. So that's it on Gbpjpy. Let's get to Usdjpy. In our last analysis of Usdjpy, the market was here. I'll come to the 4 hours time frame. Let's look at it well. So this is where the market ended last week or 2 weeks ago when we did our analysis of Usdjpy. So we did say that the market had made an ascending channel here, only for it to sell this much, and it broke the support of the ascending channel. So we look forward to the market buying a bit more, retesting the support of the ascending channel, and make a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. That's what we're looking forward to. So we, of course, if you remember, if you watched that video, we did say there was possibility for a seller and a possibility for a buy. So if that bearish reversal candlestick pattern occurs, there was strong possibility that it will sell back to this region, making a double bottom on the daily time frame before it buys again. There was also possibility that the market will buy if Monday ends as a bullish candle, which it did. Monday ended as a bullish candle, making that a bullish Arami. So we said there was possibility for a buy. So we said that you should just look out while trading, look out for the possibilities of all of these and trade accordingly. Don't be rigid. Trade according to what the market presents, and you can see the market bought quite significantly. Tuesday ended as a doji, and Wednesday through Friday was bullish. So if you were able to get in on that, I want to say congratulations to you. And let's start our analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see Usdjpy has bought quite significantly, got to this region, which it broke the previous all-time high and made a new one here, only for it to sell quite significantly, and got back to this region, which is a strong support region. We saw quite a significant bullish rejection, only for it to sell again, and the bulls pushed it again. So last month, the market ended as a bearish candle with a longer lower wick than the upper wick. And this is the month of October we just started, and we can see it is currently a healthy bullish candle. Now let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see the market bought this much and sold down here, retesting this region. Then the bulls started coming in. 2 weeks ago, the market sold and the bulls have come in again. So last week, the market ended as a healthy bullish candle. And it came in contact with the 10-day simple moving average here on the weekly time frame. Now let's consider the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that the market started buying from here, and it bought pretty hard, attaining our TP1 and came pretty close to our TP2. You can see that. So on the daily time frame, the last candlestick is a healthy bullish candle. Now let's consider the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can see the market was buying here, making series of higher highs and higher lows, sold quite significantly, only for it to bow to this region, made a sign as if it wants to sell, only for the bulls to come in and pushed it pretty hard up to the region where it is currently at. So the last candlestick on the 4 hours time frame is a small bearish candle, making this a tweezer top. So that's what happened in the market last week. What do we expect from the market this week? Firstly, on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the bulls are already in control of the market, and we can also see that it has gotten to an overbought region. Then coming to the daily time frame, we can see that the bulls have shown quite a strong amount of strength, and they pushed the market up to this region. I'm not fully attaining this resistance region, but we can see the bears have shown sign. The 4 hours time frame ended as a small bearish candle, and here on the daily time frame we can see the candlestick has a small upper wick. So then the weekly time frame ended as a healthy bullish candle. We can see that here. So then if we put these two candles together, we have a bullish engulfing bar. So this is how I think the market will play out. We have here a healthy bullish candle on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame, we can see quite a significant bullish pressure. And in fact, if you look here, you can see that the market has started making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So this first higher high, first higher low, and it has made the new higher high. The next reasonable thing, or the next logical thing to expect, is the market to make the new higher low. Then we'll look forward to a bullish reversal candlestick pattern and go bullish. Then look at the 4 hours time frame. We can also see that the market has bought quite significantly, and we have seen a bearish candle here. The last candlestick is a bearish candle. So this is how I think the market will play out, even though I've given a hint some minutes ago. The market has got into an overbought region, and it has not fully attained this resistance region. So I see the possibility of the market buying a bit more at the early part of the week and fully attaining this region. Then on the 4 hours time frame, we could either see a bearish divergence or a double top here on the 4 hours time frame before we look forward to a sell, and the market will sell. Now when that occurs, this is the next region we expect the market to come to. Look at it on the daily time frame. Yeah. So this is the next region we expect the market to come to. And when it sells down here, we will have the new higher low, and we'll look forward to a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, and then we'll aim for the next higher high. And this is the next strong resistance region, and that's where we expect the market to buy up to. So for those who like figures, which is not bad, we expect the market to sell to 146. So we expect the market to sell to 146. Then around that region, we'll look forward to a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, and the market should buy up to 154. Okay, we can use this region 149.4 as TP1 when it sells. After it sells and makes the bullish reversal candlestick pattern, 149.4 will be at TP1. Then 154.1 will be at TP2. So for now, I'll say that depending on the bullish, or let's say depending on the volume in the market within this week, there's possibility that the market will sell and make the bullish reversal candlestick pattern and attain TP1 within this week. But if we don't have sufficient volume, it will sell and get to this region, then make a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, and that will be the end of the week. So that's what we're expecting from the markets on USDJPY. Now let's get into gold. In our last analysis of gold, the market closed here. The market closed here, this small bearish candle. So the market had just made a new all-time high. So we did say that, having seen this candle, that we see the possibility of the market to sell, and this is where we expect it to sell down to 26.20. That's where we said we expect the market to sell down to. Why did we aim for that position? Because we said that we don't see the possibility of the market selling much, because if you look at the weekly time frame, you see that the market has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows, and for that reason I don't see the possibility of a huge sell. You can see the weekly time frame, it has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows, so I don't see the possibility of a huge sell until the market makes a clear bearish reversal chart pattern on the weekly time frame. So on Monday, the market sold, like we see here. We see this bearish candle. This bearish candle, the market sold, came pretty close to the region where we marked, only for the bulls to come in and push it on Tuesday. Wednesday through Friday ended more like dojis. And if you look at Friday, after the news on NFP, you can see how uncertain the market was. Sold this much, only for it to buy this much. Can you imagine? Only for it to sell this much and started buying again. So this was quite cruel, I must say. And if you were in the market and you were still holding and hoping that the market would take one direction, I am pretty sure that your stop loss must have been triggered out after you have made some significant amount of profit. So let's start our analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that gold has bought for quite a while, quite a significant bullish move. Made the new all-time high, or the most recent all-time high, last month here, and we saw bearish rejection. Then this is the month of October, which just started, and it is currently a small bullish candle. Now let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can also see how far the market has bought. 2 weeks ago ended as a bullish candle with a long upper wick, and the week before that ended as a bullish candle with a long lower wick. So we did say that we see the possibility of the market selling to make the new higher low, since it has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows from this region, and you can see that. So we said we look forward to the market making the new higher low before it buys again, and we can see last week ended as a dragonfly doji. Now let's consider the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see the market has been buying. Then last week it made this intention to sell, only for the bulls to come in, and it ranged around here. Now let's consider the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can see the market had bought up to this region, and around this region it has just been ranging here. On a couple of occasions it made sign as if it want to sell, only for the bulls to come in and push it up. Then the bears come in and push it down. So the market has just been ranging around here. What do we expect from the market this week and perhaps beyond? Like I said earlier and in our previous videos, gold has been making series of higher highs and higher lows, which is more visible on the weekly time frame though. You can see that. So we said in our last analysis, and I think the analysis before that, that having seen that the market is making series of higher highs and higher lows, if it makes a sign to sell, we won't take it serious, because we will believe that that's a retracement and it will buy again after that. So instead of taking the sell, we'll look forward to a bullish reversal candlestick pattern and take the buy. So having seen that the market has made a dragonfly doji here, which shows stronger bullish rejection than it shows the activities of the bears. I don't know if you understand. At the open of the week, the bears pushed the market this much, only for the bulls to come in. So it shows stronger bullish rejection, a stronger bullish rejection than it shows activities of the bears. So at the end of the week, it ended at about the same region where it's open after the bears have shown some strength. So having seen this, it means that the market closed with a stronger bullish rejection than showing the strength of the bulls. So for that reason, there's possibility that the market will buy. I said there's a possibility. So we will look forward to how that possibility will play out, even though at the moment there is nothing that shows that that will happen. We can see this is a bearish candle with a long lower wick, more like a hanging man. This is a doji and this is a doji. So at the moment we are still having strong bearish, or we're still having contention among buyers and sellers, or indecision, and we will wait for that pattern to be broken, which means that we will look forward to a bullish candle closing around this region. So when we have a bullish candle close around this region, we will believe that the next candle will be bullish or more. So there's possibility that a news will occur within this week. Of course, remember that Gbpjpy have said that they will start cutting interest rates, and what that means is giving more strength to gold and less strength to dollars. And if by the next Fed fund rates we have less interest rates from as compared to the previous one, then we know that this region will be broken and gold will make a new all-time high. So for now, what we are having in the market is indecision. The daily and weekly time frame ended as doji. So this indecision, we'll just look forward to the market taking a side and we'll trade accordingly, even though what we tilt more towards the possibility is a buy. So that's it on gold. Now let's get to Euro USD. In our last analysis of Euro USD, this is where the market was. You can see this candle, a bearish candle with a long lower wick and upper wick. I think the lower wick is a bit longer than the upper wick. So we did say that the market has been ranging around this region. So we look forward to the market taking a side. If we have a breakout on the bullish side, we believe the market will buy more. And if we have a breakout on the bearish side, that's breaking the support, then we believe the market will sell more. That's what we said in our last analysis. If you want to verify that, you can go watch the video. And we can see there was a breakout on the bearish side and the market sold this more. So we said if the market sells, then it is coming back to this region, and that will make a double top on the daily time frame, which is a bearish reversal chart pattern, and that could alter the outstanding pattern, which is series of higher highs and higher lows. And you can see the market sold pretty hard. So if you were able to get in on the sell, I want to say big congratulations to you. And let's start our analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see from about this region, the market started making series of higher highs and higher lows, which is more visible on the daily time frame. And last month, it ended as a bullish candle with a longer upper wick than the lower wick. And this is the month of October, which we've had only one full trading week, and it is currently a bearish candle. Now let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see the market started making series of higher highs and higher lows here and bought up to this region. Then it sold. At about this region, we said we look forward to the market making the new higher high, only for it to sell back to the previous high, and we started seeing bearish rejection. So last week ended as a healthy bearish candle. You can see that here. And the 10-day simple moving average is about to cross over the candlestick, which is a bearish entry trigger. Okay, now let's consider the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like we said earlier, the market has made a double top here and it has sold pretty hard and fully attaining this region, which was the next strong support region. Now let's consider the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see the market sold pretty hard here and came to this region. Then the last candlestick on the 4 hours time frame is a bullish candle, making this the morning star, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So that's what happened in the market last week. What do we expect from the market this week? Firstly, I would say that what seems to be more obvious is that the bears are currently in the market, which means that the bears are currently running the market. The daily time frame ended as a healthy bearish candle with a long lower wick, and the length of the body is longer than the length of the wick. Notice that. Then the weekly time frame ended as a healthy bearish candle, and the 10-day simple moving average is about to cross over the candlestick. Then the candle before that is a doji. Look here, a doji, and before that is a bullish candle, making this an evening star, which is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. You can see that. So there is strong possibility that the market will sell. You get me? There's strong possibility. In fact, what we can see right now, what is more visible in the chart right now, is a bearish move. I've said that before. It's a bearish move. So if the market will sell, this is how I think it will play out. It will buy a bit more. If I look at the 4 hours time frame, it has made a morning star here. So the market could buy a bit more. Give me a moment. The market could buy a bit more, fully attain this region, which is the next resistance region, then make a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. If we see a bearish reversal candlestick pattern around this region, then we'll be pretty sure that the market is about to sell, and we'll take our sell and the market is coming down. But if we see the market range here for maybe a day or two, make a double bottom here on the 4 hours time frame, then we see a bullish candle close above the 10-day simple moving average. There's quite a strong possibility that it will exceed this region, and this will be the next target. Remember that we said that the market has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, having seen this double top, that structure has been altered. Also, it has sold below the previous low, so we can't say that it is still making series of higher highs and higher lows. That structure has been altered. We want to see whether a bearish move has started or it will buy back to this region. That's what we want to see right now. So we're going to be open to the possibilities for all of this. So like I said, firstly, we want to see the market buy up to this region, and at this region we'll look forward to see if the market will make a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. If that occurs, then we're pretty sure that the market is selling, and this will be our TP 1.091. But if we see the market break this region, then we can be pretty sure that the market is coming back to this other region, which was the previous high, 1.12. So that's it about Euro USD. And like I said, this is the last currency pair we're going to be analyzing in this video. We've put together all the pairs we usually analyze separately into one video, and I believe you've had a great journey watching it through till the end. So that's what we're expecting from the market this week. If you have a different opinion, you can use the comment section. If you have any question, you can also use the comment section. I'll be glad to have a conversation with you. Like we always say, trading is a highly risky endeavor. You don't want to venture into trading without proper knowledge. If you know you don't have sufficient knowledge about trading, don't take this trade. You can watch this video for educational purpose and it's going to serve you better than risking your hard-earned money in something you don't fully understand. If you want to get a Forex course, which is a complete guide on how to trade the financial market, it covers beginners to advanced lessons. It has 30 videos and 3 ebooks, including my book, Trading Without Tears. I strongly recommend this course for anybody who is just starting out in the Forex space or someone who is yet to find his way around the financial market. So if you want to get this course, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can get our Forex course. And if you want to subscribe for our signal service, we'll give proper entry, stop loss, and take profit. Check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can subscribe for our signal service. And if you want to get a copy of my book, Trading Without Tears, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can get the soft copy. If you want the hard copy, send us a direct message to any of our social media handles. You can find our social media handles in the description of this video. Tell us your location, we'll tell you the cost of shipping it. Once your payment is confirmed, have the book delivered to you. So that's it from us on this video. I hope you got value. See you in the next video. Bye for now.